Hey y'all, what's up, what's up? Welcome to week 18. So today is February 5th. I am 18 weeks pregnant, but I'm sure he's ahead of the game and he's probably at 19 weeks. I will find out for sure on Monday, so I'm super excited. Is the anatomy scan, so stay tuned for that next week. So this week's update, I've been actually feeling great, like amazing. The only thing that I've been feeling this week that hasn't been amazing is the round ligament growth and pain on my sides. And when it first started happening, I think I mentioned this in a previous video, I was freaking out like, oh my gosh, what's going on? Is the baby okay? Not realizing it is just my uterus expanding. Here's an image right here. And so essentially, as the uterus expands, you obviously are growing a full human being, and it causes these pains right in these areas. Particularly for me, it's on this side. And as you can see, this is my update of my bump. It's not super big. I guess I'm smaller than most women, but I was an athlete and I still am an athlete. So I think being fit has helped, and that's probably why I might not be as big. I also, as previously mentioned, I do have a retroverted uterus right now, thinking it will eventually move forward. But I think that is why my belly is a little bit smaller than some of my peers and friends who are at the exact same weeks. Another thing, last week I mentioned constipation. So I did take milk of magnesia. This is TMI, but I'm just being 100% real. And it really didn't work. And then I started eating more green salads, like kale and spinach together, and super green smoothies, and adding flaxseed. So in my smoothies, I'll put flaxseed, hemp seeds, almonds, peanut butter, yogurt, almond or oat milk, spinach, kale, blueberries or a mix of berries, agave, truvia. It's packed with a ton of stuff and tons of nutrients, but that has been doing the trick. I've been having at least one a day, and that has been working wonders. I also this week consistently worked out 3 times so far. So I did a workout Monday, Wednesday, Friday, which is today. Today I did boxing, which you can check out right here, and it was super fun. So I still have a long way to go in regards to endurance. I still get winded way faster than usual, but that's okay. Me and baby Adele are shrugging through, and we're making it. And I think he's loving it. I feel like he's gonna come out dancing, boxing, working out, strong, healthy, and that's the goal. Make sure to continue to feed him good protein. I am eating meat right now, but trust and believe, once he comes out, I'm going back to my 90% plant-based and the 10% being fish, because I mean, as much as I'm enjoying this meat, I do miss the plant-based, but I also want to make sure that he's getting as much nutrients as possible while he is growing inside me. So that is my update for week 18. I'm today just being comfy and cozy, no makeup on, hair is not did. This is my natural hair. I think the curls though, since I colored it, it's the curls are kind of going away, so hopefully they'll come back. So yeah, that's it in a nutshell, and hope you've been loving this journey. Thank you for being here along with me. If you have any questions, suggestions, or if you're pregnant, I would love to know, like, what symptoms are you currently experiencing on your week 18. So until the next video, I'll see you soon.